Hello everyone, my name is Devendran Alak MUNIANDY. My metric number is B0922100029. The subject is BMID 3523 CNC Technology. We are here to present our group project that is Chess Queen. This is our team Mohamad Arif, Mohamad AZIZ, HISHAMUDDIN, and Devendran. Okay, introduction. One of the strongest pieces in chess, the queen is represent a long history and fine craftsmanship that show the game development as well as its continuing influence on contemporary culture. From its humble beginning in the age of old game, the queen has evolved into one of the most powerful pieces in modern chess, able to exert unparalleled control over both roles and diagonal. These metaphors reflect the shifting social roles and historical conception of queenship and power. This piece only moves one square diagonally, making it comparatively weak. This is our cat design for the queen chess. This is our drawing, side view, top view, perspective view.
Okay, so next the detail for CNC programming. Okay, for the header we use G90, G18, G95, G71, and G54, and our workpiece size is 200 length. The diameter is 50. Um, for roughing we use plunge cutter, and we use contour, and we make cycle. After that we use for finishing we use finishing tool, and for angle we use G02. There are two angle. uh, we use radius 30 and radius 76, and this is our counter cycle.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Hazri. Okay, next we're going to simulation. Simulation on this chess queen. So you can see from the side view, see lot of angle. There are two. Next is the 3D view. You see from the simulation. Yeah, then next we're going to see the half cut view, which is we saw like we cut the product into half and saw what it is for the inside. It is exactly the same with side view. So okay, done.
Assalamualaikum. My name is HISHAMUDDIN bin Abdul Rahim. I'm going to explain the discussion of this project. So, the use of computer numerical controls, which is CNC, turning technology in fabrication, a queen chess piece combine traditional craftsmanship with modern precision. The process begins with the design phase using CAD SolidWorks software to create detailed model. Considering aesthetic, ergonomic, and proportions. Material selection, typical metal like brass or stainless steel is crucial for weight and durability. Tool selection and the machine parameters such as spindle speed, feed rate, and depth of cut are optimized to achieve the fine detail and smooth surface. Quality control ensure each each piece meets standard through precise measurement and inspection. Challenge include to challenge include tool wear, achieve in intricate details, which is can be mitigated by using advanced cutting material and better software integration. This technology enable customization, efficient, and high precision, resulting in high quality chess piece that appeal to both collector and enthusiasts. Lastly, the conclusion: the creation of a queen chess piece using CNC turning technology exemplify the tasteful fusion of conventional artistry and cutting-edge engineering. This process marries the precision and efficiency of computer numerical control CNC turning with the intricate design and historical significance of traditional chess piece, achieving a level of the detail uniformly that were previously unattainable. By leveraging advanced machinery and continuous improvement, reduce producer can swiftly adapt to new design, trend, and preference. Ensuring high standard of quality and aesthetic, this approach not only time prever- preserve the timeless charm of chess, but also introduce a new level of precision, consistency, satisfying both collector and enthusiasts alike. That's all from us. Thank you.